Uncovering the hidden secrets of the Night Watch, one of the greatest masterpieces ever created, painted in 1640 by the Dutch master Rembrandt van Rijn. This incredible artwork is famous for its dramatic lighting, lifelike characters, and mysterious details. At first glance, it looks like a group portrait, but look closer, and you'll discover a scene full of movement and excitement. The central figure is Captain Frans Banningkoek, dressed in black with a striking red sash. Beside him stands Lieutenant Willem van Ruytenberg, wearing bright gold and yellow clothing that immediately catches the eye. Round them, soldiers prepare their weapons, beat drums, raise flags, and march forward as if the painting has suddenly come to life. One of the biggest mysteries is the glowing young girl in the background. She isn't a member of the militia. Historians believe she represents the symbolic mascot of the company. Hanging from her belt is a dead chicken with visible claws, a symbol connected to the militia group. Rembrandt used her glowing appearance to draw attention and add mystery to the scene. Here's another surprising fact. Despite its famous name, the Night Watch isn't actually a night scene. Over hundreds of years, layers of dirt and dark varnish made the painting appear as though it was painted at night. After careful cleaning, experts discovered it actually takes place during the daytime. Another hidden secret is that the painting you see today isn't complete. In 1715, it was moved to a new building, but it was too large to fit on the wall. Instead of finding a bigger space, people cut off large sections from all four sides. Several figures disappeared forever. Thankfully, an old copy painted before the cuts helped historians understand what the original looked like. Rembrandt completely changed the way group portraits were painted. Before him, artists usually painted everyone standing in neat rows, looking directly at the viewer. Rembrandt broke all the rules by creating movement, action, and emotion. Every person seems busy with a different task, making the entire painting feel alive. The use of light and shadow is another reason this masterpiece is so extraordinary. This technique, called chiaroscuro, guides your eyes naturally across the painting. Bright light highlights the captain, the lieutenant, and the mysterious young girl, while the darker background creates depth and drama. Sadly, this priceless artwork has survived several attacks. In 1975, a man slashed it with a knife, causing serious damage. Then, in 1990, another attacker threw acid onto the painting. Fortunately, museum staff acted quickly, preventing permanent destruction. Today, the Night Watch is protected inside the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam. Experts continue to study and restore it using advanced cameras, lasers, and artificial intelligence in a project called Operation Night Watch. Visitors can even watch parts of the restoration process, making it one of the most closely studied paintings in history. More than 3 centuries after Rembrandt completed this masterpiece, it continues to amaze millions of people from around the world. Every detail tells a story, every character has a purpose, and every shadow hides another mystery waiting to be discovered. What do you think is the most fascinating secret of the Night Watch? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into one of history's greatest masterpieces. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing stories about the world's most famous paintings.